What is up, Team Tierra B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tierra B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, as you can see, I'm in the car, so it's time for another Uber ride along, and we're gonna make some money. And it is currently 2:29, and it's 58 degrees in my city. So I got my coat on just in case, but I don't think I'll need it all day because it's feeling pretty good right now. It was a little bit cooler earlier, but I'm about to go ahead and get started. My car is pretty clean right now. As you can see, it's looking pretty good, but the outside is a little dusty because I accidentally left it outside the garage when it was raining outside. So anywho, I might run it through the car wash real quick, but I'm not gonna vacuum the inside because we're looking good. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, I may need to grab something to eat too because I haven't ate lunch yet. So let's get into it. Oh yes, and today's goal is gonna be $150, and we're gonna try to make that by 8 o'clock. Okay, so stay with me. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I just finished my lunch at Taco Bell. Still sipping on my little drink, my Baja Blast frozen drink. That was only $1 because it's happy hour there. So I can definitely appreciate a good savings. So anywho, I chose Taco Bell today because this is a place where my mom and I will go sometimes and just sit, and there's a particular place like in the parking lot where we would sit and just talk and just eat and trade food. And so not the healthiest choice obviously, but sometimes I do just come here and just sit here and think about her. If you don't know, my mom passed away in 2020, and so whatever I can do to try to hold on to pieces of memories with her, I try to do that. So here I am. So without getting all emotional, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and actually get started working. It is currently 3:04. I actually decided not to run the car through the car wash because I'm already behind schedule today. Like, I was supposed to start work, in my mind I was gonna start at like 8 a.m. this morning. So yeah, I'm already cutting myself really short from the time I'm going to be driving because I don't like to drive at night. My husband would just prefer for me to be in before it gets dark. So, and I agree, it cuts down the risk of things happening after dark. So for safety reasons, we kind of agreed that I will be done, about 7:38. 8 still it gets a little dark around 8, but at least I'll be done having people in my car for the most part. So yeah, so that's pretty much what we're doing. I'm going to go ahead and head, I think I might head to a zone. I do have a zone from 4 to 7 where I can go pick up someone and get 3 trips in a row. Let's pick up the first one from that zone and then drop the other 2 off anywhere. But basically staying on the app for 3 people in a row without going offline, and then they'll give me $8.50. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that that's a little bit low because it used to be like 18. So sometimes they kind of play you on these promotions. So just keep that in mind if you decide to sign up for being an Uber driver. The promotions are not always the same. So got to catch them while they're high and, appreciate them while they're low as well. Okay, y'all, so I have no idea what I was trying to tell y'all here because I'm editing and the sound is not coming through. So apparently I'm trying to give you guys an update. So just bear with me to the next clip and then you'll have another update because gotta love technology. So yes, I finished my 3 for $8 and some change, so that definitely helped. And oh yeah, I actually got a $11 cash tip just now. So so yes, so 56 plus the $11 puts me at $67. So I'm rolling, y'all, so stay with me. Alright, Team Tierra B, I am back with a quick update to let you guys know how I'm doing, how I'm feeling. I'm feeling pretty optimistic. I feel like I'm gonna make it. It is currently 7:09 and I am at $98 on the app, and I have $11 in cash, so that gives me a total of $109, and I am very excited. I feel like I can make it. I've got about 50 minutes to reach this goal, so we shall see. I'm going to continue to drive and stay safe, so I'll catch you guys in the final update. Okay, y'all, so another change of plans because I ain't got time tonight. I do not have time. I had 2 people cancel on me. The one right before the last one, it was at the stadium, and apparently the Royals played today, and so it was like a lot trying to get in there and pick up this person. And then I waited like 3 minutes. I'm texting, I'm calling, and they didn't respond. And finally, I called one more time because I don't like to just cancel on people. You know what I mean? Like, I try to find my people. Like, if you order the Uber, that's my job. I come to help you. You know what I mean? So, and then the final time I called, they picked up and was like, "Oh, you can cancel that." I'm like, "Really?" So I'm like, "Okay, cool." You know, I get a little $4 cancellation fee, so I didn't completely waste my time, but I was in the middle of a 3 in a row trip, so basically he was the last one, and I would have got like $8 for doing the 3 in a row. But whatever, I got the consolation prize, got the $4 cancellation. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm gonna keep going. It's, you know, I still got until 8, and I get the next person, and then I'm on my way to them, and then they cancel with no explanation. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm done, because and I'm too close to home. Like, once I get this close to home, I'll be ready to call it. So I made the executive decision to be done for today. It is currently 7:20, and I'm just gonna call it, and I'm cool with that. So I made a little over $25 an hour. I started around 3, actually taking rides around 3, and it's about 7:20, like I said, and I made, what did I say, $109 total, to include what's on the screen and my cash tip. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think. And until next time, I am Tiara B, and I am out. Bye.